Hey, it's Marissa here. Today we're going to be drawing an imposter, and it's going to be a St. Patrick version. The first step we're going to take is to draw a big curve that goes down, just like this. Now once you finish that, draw a little curve up for the leg, go out, and then another curve that goes up. We're going to draw the visor. It's just a big oval in the middle. Looks good. Now let's draw that pack on the back. Perfect. Now for the belt, we're going to make a curve and then another curve. We're going to draw two lines in the middle, and then we're going to draw a square inside of those lines. Looks like a buckle. Now I'm going to make a top hat. It's going to go around the head, just like this. And then that top hat has a line that goes up, a line that goes up again, and then a curve to connect them. Now I'm going to draw a buckle. It's going to go around like this. I'm going to draw two lines again that go down, and then a square in the middle. Looks good. Now we're going to draw a dead crewmate, and it's going to kind of be smaller than our first bigger crewmate or imposter. So let's draw a bone. It's going to be a heart at first, and then you draw two lines. Once you've done that, you're going to draw a curve around, and then we're going to go out like this, make a leg, and then make another leg. I'm going to finish it off with a little pack right there and a line in the middle for the bone. Perfect. I'm going to make the same thing but over here. So try to match up where your bone would be. Mine would probably be right here. And so draw that heart, go down with the two lines, draw a circle, and this time our curve is going to go this way. I'm going to draw a line down and up. We're going to draw a leg right there, and the pack is going to be facing out like that, and then draw a line to close off the bone. Looks good. Now I'm going to draw a rainbow, so try to make one side fit right here and then go around the top and try to make it end at the other dead crewmate. So here we go. I'm going to go on one side, go over, and then touch just like that. There we go. Now I'm going to make another rainbow curve. It's going to go up and over again, and then touch. Looks good. You can make as many or as little as you want. I'm going to do maybe a couple more. I like it. So draw a big curve. It's okay if it hits the imposter at the top or it goes through, doesn't matter, because you could just go on the other side. There we go. Here's our rainbow. So let's start coloring. Here's our St. Patrick's Day Among Us drawing. So you can add more rainbow patterns if you want, more dead crewmates at the bottom. It's up to you. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye!